On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don go pay condolence visits give the family of late Husaini Abdullahi wey be former governor of Old Bendel State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don go pay condolence visit give the family of late Vice Admiral Husaini Abdullahi wey be former military governor of Old Bendel State wey die recently for Abuja. Obaseki tell the children and other relatives for Abuja say Edo State government ready gidigba to support the family, especially as dem dey grieve. So late Abdullahi die for 80 years and him first be governor of Old Bendel State from March 1976 go reach July 1978. We go remember say e never too tey when Governor Godwin Obaseki describe Abdullahi as fine naval officer and elder statesman wey don contribute well to Edo State wey be part of Old Bendel State and Nigeria as a whole. Obaseki come still talk say Abdullahi na gallant soldier and an ogbonge businessman wey don do good thing on top business matter since im retire. Na so we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don go pay condolence visits give the former governor of Old Bendel State wey die for Abuja recently. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.